Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to log into Candy Crush Saga with King account. To log into Candy Crush Saga with a King account, first of all, make sure that you download and install Candy Crush Saga on your mobile device and launch it open. After opening up your Candy Crush Saga account, accept the necessary terms and conditions and then tap on Retrieve My Progress button from the menu. You will then be taken to the login or sign up page. To log into your Candy Crush Saga account with King, go ahead and tap on Login with Email option at the bottom under Already Have a King account. Now in the login interface, type in your email address and password associated with your King account. Type down the email associated with King and then type in your password for your King account in the next field. If you don't remember the password for your King account, you can tap on Forgot Your Password. But if you do, make sure to type down the credentials correct and tap on Login in green. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to log into Candy Crush Saga with your King account. So that's how it's done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.